before we get into the main body of this video, I just want to let you all know it came very, very close this week for me to actually stop doing this channel. When my GoPro broke, or very, very difficult to use, and really it's broken. It works occasionally when it feels like it. I was in two minds whether to buy a new one or not. You know, people were saying they've got to decide between eating and heating. Well, buying this new GoPro is almost a decision for me between floating and sinking. The only reason I've really actually decided to continue, actually like making the videos, and I know a lot of you guys out there like watching. So, yeah, it was a hard decision to spend the money. I really was. And I ended up by spending an awful lot more than I thought it was going to cost in the first place. So, yeah, definitely going to be bread and butter for the next 6 months to eat, I think, if I can afford to buy the loaf of bread. But anyway, let's get into the main heart of the video. And this is what I've actually gone and bought to actually continue this channel going. As I said on Saturday, I've been having problems with my GoPro. It's really difficult to turn it on and off, which is not really very handy when you're trying to steer the boat and going down the canal and you're trying to operate the camera. By the time you get turned on, you're half a mile past what you wanted to record. So anyway, I bit the bullet. As I said, I've bought a new camera. So, one new camera, I think. So let's open it up. I'm just going to put the blade right in there while I open this so it doesn't cut through. I'm not using a box cutter or such as the utility knife. It's a big box, isn't it, for something small in here. That's my invoice. £349. 99p, 350 quid. What have I bought? Well, I've got the Hero 12 Black. Let's open it up. Obviously you have to ruin the box to open it because it's got one of these pull things. Comes in a case. My other one didn't have a case. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Charging cable. Oh, a curved mount for a helmet, which would be useless to me, of course. The screw for attachments. Battery. And one of the mounts which clip into things like this, that will clip into there. One way those should anyway. Quite stiff. Yeah, but goes. Oh, it's one of these you have to lift the tab up on, is it? I think. Yeah, you lift the tab up, then you push it in. So yeah, that would go into there. And then you push the tab down, basically locks it all in. Right. And the main bit, the camera. Got some covers over it. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. So I guess there's some software somewhere. Probably got to scan it on the phone. Yeah. So anyway, we'll do that in a minute. I'm not going to show you me updating it because I'm probably going to mess it all up. So I'll come back to you in a moment. I will show you something else. Meanwhile, what also I've bought in this box here. This one came via Amazon direct. The other one came DPD to my pickup location, but no big deal. Obviously, it came direct from the people that are selling it, and it was 50 quid cheaper from there than it was from Amazon. There's a couple of items in here, but this is the one in question that I've bought. I get people complaining about the sound sometimes. I hope this is going to improve matters. And the other thing I've got in here is a log splitting wedge. We'll see how that works. Heavy. So let's have a look in here. This is a wireless lavalier microphone kit. Once again, nice little package it's in. And here we've got the sender, I think it is, that's the receiver rather, and 2 clip-on microphones. And here, not sure what else we got. Probably a cable, is it? Open it up. There's various cables and clips and pins and adapters. Yeah, all sorts here. So I'll come back to all that later. First of all, I've got to update the other camera. So the new camera, the new GoPro 12, came with this message on it. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. And it's stuck all over the camera as well. What you need to do, well, you can do it by going online on the laptop. Which I have there. I could go on the laptop and you're supposed to be able to download it onto a SD card, then put the SD card into the camera. I couldn't get that to work. So the way they tell you to do it, of course, is on the phone. So on the phone here, this is what I need. This is for GoPro's quick. You can see it there. This app won't work for your device. Yeah, this phone was too old, it wouldn't download it. I had the older version of it already on the phone. It removed that version as I clicked that, it took the old version off. It says no longer on the phone. That was only up to the GoPro 9. This is the GoPro 12. So obviously I needed the later version, but my phone wouldn't do it. So, at a great expense again, I knew that phone was on its way out anyway. It's all sorts of things going funny with it. So I've had to buy a new phone as well. So this is my new phone. So I've downloaded it onto here somewhere. Work out where it is. Here it is. So hopefully now I can do it. I'm sure I had a password, but I'll see if I can sign in, see if I can remember it. Do anything straightforward these days. There is always an update or something to do, something you've got to change or whatever. Always, always, always. Now I'm back on the laptop and I'm just going to change my sign in. So here goes then. We've got the phone here set up with it on now. I've downloaded it onto my new phone. He says, trying to find it. So here it is, quick. Do you own a GoPro? Yes. Set up your GoPro now? Yes. Connect a camera. Turn the GoPro on. Hello. Yes, hello. Hero 12 Black. Connect. Thought we did that bit. Hero 12 Black. No GoPro detected. Hold the button for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, must try and hold it on. English. Agree. Whatever. Confirm. Next. We found your GoPro. Ah, good. Connects. Bluetooth pair and request pair. We can't connect to your GoPro. Something went wrong. Give it another shot. Give it. Try again. Connected. I don't care what name it's got. Continue. Take camera. Well, if you don't agree, they won't ever let you do anything with it, so you have to accept and agree. Premium. The GoPro subscription is no GoPro Premium. Gives you unlimited access to the quick app and best benefits of your GoPro camera. They're going to charge me, I'm not doing it, but we'll see what happens. No, I'm not paying 30 quid a blooming year just to get premium. Nope. Not doing it. I spent enough money already on cameras. I don't need to put any of my photos or anything onto their stuff, so that's it, I think. All done. The GoPro's still updating over here. That's supposed to switch itself on and off a few times whilst it's doing it. But we'll leave that going and we'll come back to it in a moment when it's finished. I guess it's all done. It's come up with video. Standard quality. 50% of the battery life left. 2 hours and was that 36 seconds. But it's got a 64 gigabyte SD card in there, which actually came with the camera. So I guess now I ought to try the camera and see what it films like. So here's actually my old camera, which is on. I've just recorded a few bits with it, but I'll try and turn it off and see what happens. This is the state of the button now. It's got rather grotty, and me trying to turn it off. Yeah. Oh, there There it goes. Actually went quite quickly that time. That makes a change. Something I didn't realise, the new GoPro doesn't come with a battery charger or anything, and I don't want to charge it up in the camera. So yes, another item I had to buy was a camera battery and charger. I bought them. It's got 2 batteries in here. I have 2 more batteries and it will charge free. So we'll open this up. So yes, to keep filming, it's just cost me an absolute fortune. So I hope lots and lots of people watch my videos now, because I'm going to need lots and lots of people watching my videos to try and get some money back. And I make about £30 a month on YouTube, so it's going to take an awful lot of months before I get my money back. That's off. And here we have the battery charger. Takes 3 batteries. Power cable. And 2 new batteries. As you see, these are the white ones. They're actually more of a long last, or what they call them. So this was the battery size which went in my GoPro 8 Black, and this was the ones with the blue bases. As you can see, the new ones quite a bit bigger, quite a bit thicker. So I'm assuming they'll last quite a bit longer. These are not actually original batteries. You can actually get them online. These are 1730 microamp hours rather. And these ones were 1220. So they've got about 50% more capacity. These ones will last about an hour, so hopefully these last about an hour and a half, I'm guessing. We'll see, won't we?